Introducing the naked roller technology, a revolution in sliding hardware. Using our mother of all rollers, wedge structure, we've created a world-first, caseless self-leveling roller. Its modular load capacity enables linear scalability with additional wheels added as required. That means even the heaviest loads are within reach, including double and triple glaze sashes. Our MOR technology ensures every wheel takes an even share of the load, reducing forces and eliminating unnecessary stresses. Compatible with a wide range of profiles, naked roller technology delivers performance previously out of reach. Traditional metal roller housings create thermal bridges through the profile. Removing the housing reduces conductive heat transfer through the profile cross-section by up to 10%. It also eliminates high carbon components, reducing embodied carbon by up to 35%. The naked roller design also opens the door to UPVC roller construction, offering more than 50% lower embodied carbon and up to 90% recyclability. With lower embodied carbon and improved thermal performance, naked roller technology is designed for the demands of the future. And there's another advantage. Removing the housing frees up valuable space and greater design flexibility, maximizing performance within smaller profiles. Take UPVC Eurogroove systems, for example. Naked roller technology can support sash weights of up to 300 kilograms, surpassing the capability of traditional rollers. Durable, strong, and low carbon, naked roller technology brings it all together in one compact system.